Hi, I'm Mustafa. I'm creating my games Tales of Neighbor, farming adventure inspired by Harvest Moon, Stardew Valley, and Field of Mysteria. After weeks of struggling with Godot's lighting, I realized its limitation and artificial lights aren't suitable for my game. So I decided to create a custom shader. I searched YouTube and even tried ChatGPT, but I couldn't find a shader that works perfectly, especially in full screen and with different camera zooms. Finally, I found a solution and made a awesome shader, which I am sharing today along with how to use it. I will put GitHub link in the description or comments because my channel are small and maybe YouTube doesn't allow me to give the link in the description. So, in my sample project, I set up a scene with a simple background, a few objects, and a fire sprite. There is a player with a basic 2D camera that just moves left and right. The main project has 4 scenes, one separate scene for the player, one for day and night system, one for light, and the main scene that I showed. The lighting system includes a canvas layer to control day and night, and a color rect to manage all lights. No change in the canvas layer, and in the color rect you should set to the full rect and use our custom shader as its material. In the day and night code, you can connect your own time manager by adjusting modulation color of color rect's shader material. You can control the game's overall brightness and darkness, giving you full control over the day and night cycle. The light manager collects all nodes in the lights group and sends their data to the shader, adjusting them according to the screen size. There is also a separate scene called light, which has a group of lights and only contains a marker 2D with parameters like active states, radius, strength, and fall off. This scene can be reused for any dynamic lights in your game. All you need to do is add this scene to your game, and once you add the day and night system, your game will adjust brightness according to the colors you set. And if you attach a light to the player and adjust its position to the center, the player will now carry a light. For a retro look, reduce the fall-off value and increase the light strength. You can create different lighting effects by tweaking radius, strength, and fall-off. If you attach the light scene to a fire sprite and use a yellow color with a larger radius, you will get a warm, glowing fire. You can also see my example of my fire with flickering and turning off on with depending on the time of day or night in my game. And if this video helps, subscribe to stay updated on my next videos. Thank you.